So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change audio language back to English in YouTube videos. So let's get started. For that reason, first of all, let me just open up the YouTube application, and then from the video, you will need to go with the gear icon on the right upper side here. So click on the gear icon, and then from here you will probably find the audio track option. Simply tap on that and you will get many language of the audio track. So sometimes you will see the language is selected as German or Indonesian, Hindi, any of these, but you need to select. As you want to select it back to the English, you need to select this one and your audio track will be selected back as English. So that's how you can simply change audio language back to English in YouTube videos. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.